y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello and welcome. My name is Hannah and in today's video, I'm going to attempt to do a pineapple makeup look. Someone, and I don't remember who it was, I'll have your comment over here on the corner of the screen, requested me to do a pineapple look, and I actually have been planning on doing a pineapple look anyway, because like I said earlier in the summer that my theme this year is kind of going to be fruits and just neons and fun colorful things like that. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little sneak peek of the tutorial so that way you can see it and how it turned out and see if this would be something that you would be interested in watching me create. If you would like to see me pull this look off right here, then get out your makeup brushes, get out your makeup, and let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I think what I want to do for today's look is do a little bit of green in my crease and then do some yellow on my lid. So first I'm going to go in with this Coastal Scent shadow. This is in the shade Fresh Chives, and it's just a really pretty green, and it's kind of the perfect shade of green that we need for this look, so that is why I'm choosing to use it. To pack that shade into my crease, I'm just going to go into this small detailed crease brush. This is from Amazon. The brand is MSQ. And these brushes are actually not half bad. I need to look on there and see if they make face brushes as well, because their eye brushes are really good and really soft, and they do an amazing job with your shadows. Alright, so as you probably can tell, I did drag the green a little ways down onto my lid, and the reason for that being is when we carve out my lid area, which is what we're about to do, it's going to kind of help everything blend out a little bit better. So now what I'm going to be doing is taking my Maybeline Super Stay Foundation. This is in the shade 105 Fair Ivory. I'm going to be taking it onto this brush right here, and I'm going to be carving out my lid. The reason why I like to use this brush is because it's a bit more rounded at the top, so it makes carving out everything a little bit more easier. Going into my City Color Hypnotic palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Pineapple, which is that really pretty bright yellow shade right there. I thought it would be perfect to use for a pineapple look because it's called pineapple. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this flat shader brush. I'm also going to be dampening my brush with a little bit of the Morphe X Jeffree Star Continuing Setting Mist. Another Coastal Scent shadow. This is the shade Vibrant Lime Green, and I'm actually going to be taking that onto this little fluffy pencil crease brush right here. This is kind of like a blending brush. What I want to do with this shade is kind of go over a little bit with that darker green and just kind of soften it out just a little bit. So that's why I'm taking it on a little bit more of a fluffier brush, so that way it won't be so intense. It'll just kind of lightly apply the shadow and just kind of soften everything up. Alright, now I'm going to be curling the eyelashes and putting on some mascara. And the mascara that I'm going to be using today is just the Maybelline Default Season Mascara. I'm going to be applying some false eyelashes, and for lashes I'm going to be using the Kiss Natural Lash in the style Rhapsody, and this is just what they look like. They are really pretty, and these are new. I did just get these a couple of days ago, and I'm so excited to be finally sitting down and using them. Well, who am I kidding? I sit down every day, but I'm happy to finally be able to sit here in this specific spot and use these lashes. So to apply them, I'm just going to be using this metal eyelash applicator that I got off of Beauty Big Bang, and I'm also going to be using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This is just the one that is black, so that is why it is in a black container. I normally like the clear one, but I unfortunately accidentally ordered the black one offline, so that is why I have this one, and that is why we're going to be using this one, because this is all I have. subscriber of mine, you already know the drill. You already know that I went off camera, did my foundation, my concealer, and my powder. And if you are a new person watching my video, then there you go. That is what I just did off camera. So now I am back, and we are going to be doing the lower lash line area. So the very first thing that we are going to do is we're going to apply a little bit of white eyeliner to the waterline, and I'm going to be using this one from LA Colors. This is just their audio eyeliner, and it's in the shade of... Now I'm going to be taking the shade of Fresh Chives, and I'm going to be applying that to my lower lash line area with this little brush right here. And in case you are wondering, I just dropped the shadow just a couple minutes ago. It fell out of my Magnet palette over here, fell on the floor, and pieces of it are on the floor, so it's a little bit shattered. But she still works. We're still going to use her, so there's that. Doing a little bit of lower lash mascara, and I'm using the same Maybeline the Falsies mascara that I used earlier on my upper lashes. I'm going to warm up my complexion with a little bit of bronzer, and for bronzer today, I'm just going to be using my Catè London bronzer. This is, I'm assuming, in the shade of Bamboo bronzer. This is just what it looks like. I'm trying to use this all up, so that's why I've been using it a ton. And to apply it, I am just going to be using this big fluffy brush. Now I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blush. This is in the shade Shy, and this is just a really pretty soft pink blush. It's super natural looking on the cheeks, which is why I wanted to use it today. And to apply it to my cheekbones, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. I'm going to get my summer glow on with some highlighter. And for highlighter today, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Fake highlighter. This is in the shade of Moonlight Pearls. I haven't used this highlight in a while, so I thought I would use it today. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this cheek highlight brush. Not least is lips, and for lips I'm just going to go with something nude. This is from Covergirl, and this is just in the shade of Streaker. It is a matte lipstick, and I think it's going to be perfect with this eye look. Everyone, so that is it for my pineapple inspired makeup tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there as well if you haven't already, because I'm here for you with new content every Thursday, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Most of the times it's been about 6 o'clock. But anyway, if you would like to catch up with me and kind of get into more depth about videos or just see upcoming looks or different things like that, you can always go over on my social media and follow me on there as well, because I always post whenever I'm going to post and upload a new video, so that's a good way to look out for videos as well. And so yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little Hannah Florence.